What's up everyone, it's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we're going to do a reaction video for the live performance of JK Labajo para sa kanyang Juan Carlos live concert. Nako, ito na nga, di ba, naganap na ang live concert ni JK on November 29, 2024 at ito ang kanyang finale song. Syempre hindi mawawala ang kanyang mega hit song na Ere, the finale song ng kanyang concert. And ito ang ating reactan dahil balita ko nga ay nakakagulat ang ending na ito. Ano ba ang nakaka-intriga, no? Ano bang meron sa ending ng concert ni JK? Yan ang ating alamin for today. But before we proceed guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we're playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is guys. JK Labajo Ere finale song. Shout out kay Rider PH Studios for uploading this. Thank you so much. So audience view to guys. Balita ko iba talaga ang performance at pinuri siya ni Sarah G for his performance sa concert. Pulang-pula yung stage. Ay. Sana may nakikita tayo. Charit. Ganda ng boses. Live na live. Grabe, nagmura yung buong stadium. At ako tayo. Ang hilig niya talagang buhatin yung microphone niya, no? Center stage pala yung setup. Kabog. Nakakaputang ina. Akalain mo pinagmura mo yung buong stadium. May paapoy pa. Yan ang maganda sa hold on guys, you know what, this is what I like about JK's performance. Gustong-gusto niya yung gumagalaw sa buong stage and then may interaction with the audience. At akalain mo nga pinamura mo yung buong stadium, diba? Bongga yan. Daming nanood. Congratulations, JK. Ayan, good job yan. Aking gusto, pasensya na kung ako di para sa iyo. Pogi. Diba? Kabog, ganda. Hindi pala apoy yun, yung kulay ng usok. Ay, ayun nga, may paapoy nga. Para sa iyo. Hold on guys, may paapoy nga sa stage. She's setting the stage on fire. Grabe yung performance ni JK. Iba yung energy. Grabe. Bongga. Goosebumps. Grabe. Tangina. And the emotion sa facial expression. Grabe mga tao, no? Hold on guys, Boomersion, nag-Moira version na tong JK. Grabe, alam mo, in fairness no, it's so nice to see JK performing in a big stadium with his solo concert. I think this is his first solo concert in a closed stadium and he's giving the vibe, the energy. Grabe, at ending pa to, but the energy is really, really high. Parang opening. The crowd, no? Sino yun? Ay, ganyan na yun. Nagpaalam na siya. Grabe. Umalis na lang siya ng ganon. Oh my God. Kabog ang ending. Oo, nakakagulat nga ito. There you have it guys, that is JK Labajo for his finale song Ere for Juan Carlos live. My gosh, grabe. Nakakagulat nga yun. Nag-walk out siya sa ending ng kanyang concert, diba? Parang wala nang thank you after the song. Bye-bye, fly away kiss, and then walk out the stage. Kabog, diba? Ganun yun, ganun ang pag-ending ng makabagong ending ng concert. But overall, I love the energy, the vibe, and the way he performed. Talagang mafe-feel mo, no? Pero siguro nakita niyo naman the energy of the audience. Same energy kahit nanonood lang tayo and audience view yung napapakinggan natin, but we feel the energy and the love of the people when JK performs. Kaya naman, saludo sa iyo JK, and congratulations for your first solo concert. Sana magkaroon ng repeat, diba? At sana mag-international tour ka naman. Punta ka rin dito sa Malaysia or mag-Asia tour ka, diba? Para naman mapanood ka namin ng live. And of course, if you like this reaction video, guys, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.